Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Welcome to the world of Zwift. In this video, I will explain how to use Zwift ride controls. Mastering these controls is essential for an immersive and enjoyable virtual cycling experience. We will cover everything from basic movement to advanced interactions, ensuring you can confidently explore the virtual roads. You will learn to steer your avatar, communicate with fellow cyclists, and utilize in-game features to enhance your rides. Let's dive in and get you up to speed. Your primary control for movement comes from your smart trainer or power meter, which translates your real-world effort into virtual speed. To steer your avatar, you can use the Zwift Companion app on your phone, dedicated Zwift Play controllers, or a steering device. This allows you to choose different paths at intersections, navigate turns, and position yourself within the peloton. Consistent power input keeps you moving forward, while steering adds a dynamic layer to your ride. Interacting with other riders makes Zwift a social experience. You can give a ride on to show support, which is like a virtual high five. The action bar, accessible through the companion app or keyboard, offers quick phrases for communication. Additionally, you will encounter power-ups such as the Feather, Van, or Aero Boost, which provide temporary advantages like reduced weight or increased aerodynamics. Activating these at the right moment can significantly impact your ride. For more control, access the in-game menu to pause your ride, change settings, or select a new route. Here, you can also adjust your trainer difficulty, which simulates the gradient of climbs and descents, ranging from 0 to 100%. Furthermore, you have the freedom to customize your avatar's appearance, choose different bikes, and select various wheel sets to optimize your performance or simply express your style. These options allow for a truly personalized experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.